see my brothers here. Otumfuo, he's, look at him there. And then Niga, they all decided to come. Niga has been here for the past 3-4 days to stay with me here, to be with me. And then Osei also came yesterday to be with me tonight. And he said to me that he will come back next week also to be with us. But I thank you, Nananimo, and everybody, the singers who were invited here. I can't mention everybody. I can't. But I know I insisted that I wanted a list of Ashtown people to come. I told my office I want Ashtown people to come. And the people that I have not met for years, I said they should come.